Tell me truthfully, how would you feel if a six-figure marketer invited you to watch over his shoulder and show you how he earns $400 a day flipping domains? What if I told you that this six-figure marketer is earning $400 per day right now flipping domains? Oh, and he only does it part-time in between being a top affiliate on the major launches. Now, how would you feel if I told you 18 months prior he was unemployed, living in a little town in the middle of Europe with 57% unemployment? Would you want to know how he does it? Hi, I'm Brian Savick, and on behalf of Sasha Illich, I'd like to invite you to join us in Flip Mastery. This is your personal invitation to start making money today flipping domains with your personal copy of his over-the-shoulder video guide, where Sasha reveals his exact step-by-step system for flipping domains for profit. Flip Mastery is Sasha's proprietary system that he implements currently to earn $400 per day. Oh, and he only does it part-time. So what is flipping? Well, flipping is buying something at a lower price and then selling it at a higher price. And if you do it right, well, you can profit. Now, you may be thinking, is there enough demand for domains? And how big is this market really? Well, there are over 300,000 domains being registered every single day. And if you count, that is more than 109,500,000 registered domains every single year. Now, you do realize that's over 47,450,000 new domains that are registered each year. And an additional 42,625,000 are transferred to new owners. That's exactly 90,075,000 customers waiting every year to spend their money. These customers could be waiting to spend their money with you. You may be wondering, is there any money in selling domains? Well, let's have a look, shall we? Medicare.com sold for $4.8 million in 2014. Porno.com sold for $8.8 million in 2015. 360.com sold for $17 million in 2015. Okay, so you may be thinking, well, that's great, Brian, but you don't have millions, right? So can you start flipping domains with, say, as little as the $10 you have in your pocket? The good news is that flipping domains is not as difficult as you may think. Sasha started mastering flipping domains with his initial investment of $1 and then flipped that $1 into $400 per day 18 months later. Now, we understand that you may have invested in a lot of systems to start your business online. Systems where your only option was to fail because of all the gaps that didn't give you quite the full picture and gave you little or no support. We understand you, and it's not your fault, because we also have lost embarrassingly large sums of money in courses that didn't quite cut it. Now we have filled in those gaps with step-by-step proven systems that work, with high-quality, step-by-step, over-the-shoulder training to give you an entire new level of support. Imagine for one moment that you are buying domains for a few dollars and then flipping them for hundreds or possibly thousands of dollars. Like a property developer flips houses. So is Flip Mastery for you? Whether you're a newbie, an affiliate marketer, a blogger, or an offline marketer like myself, you can flip domains for big profits. But to do it right, you need Flip Mastery to understand the principles so that you can flip high value dollar domains. So you can flip them for profit or keep them for your PBN. Imagine for one moment that you had a consistent income that would not only allow you to pay your bills on time, but to also take that trip with your family or that special someone. So you now have the choice to keep doing what you're doing right now, where you'll continue to get the same old results you have been getting. Or you could hit the buy button right now and have a six-figure affiliate taking you by the hand to show you his proprietary system. All so you can learn how to earn the money you deserve. Now, this offer is for a limited time, and I guarantee you this offer will be taken down once we have the numbers. So go down below this video and hit that buy button, and you'll be taken to a secure order form where you can join Flip Mastery and get instant access to the Flip Mastery guide, containing the step-by-step proprietary system to guide you through to your first domain flip. You'll get 6 over-the-shoulder videos of Sasha going through the process of flipping a newly bought domain name. Now that's the full Flip Mastery proprietary process of buying and reselling domain names for profit. You'll get 5 done-for-you sales letters sprinkled with high converting copy that are proven and have flipped many a domain name. Now that's 5 complete done-for-you campaigns that you can use to sell your domain names starting today. You'll get 10 domain name ideas that you can register right now and sell, completely free to register and sell instantly. You'll get access to a private Flip Mastery training webinar where you'll learn how to drive buyers free with a completely free tool. You'll learn how to sell high-ticket domain names for fast profits. Now for those people that stay to the very end of the webinar, we have a special bonus where you'll learn how to flip valuable domain names and sell domains for thousands each day for domains you don't even own. So go down below this video and hit that buy button. Now please remember, Flip Mastery is backed by our 30-day, no risk to you, money back guarantee. Yes, that's right. We are so confident that you'll get results that the risk, well, it's entirely on us. No risk to you. So go down below this video, hit that buy button, and I'll see you on the inside.